guys, what's up? So we've got another tour. This is a Bluebird International little short bus with a front lift. So you guys know I love front lifts. Let's see. Oh, we got a broom with a little Thomas 3800. So this is an 03, you can see there. There's Peter taking a picture.
What?
Hi.
What do you want?
Nothing. So here's the dash, got the hood. Here's the gauge, keys, parking brake, Bluebird, body fluid cleanup kit. And then what?
You don't mess with my pictures.
Apologies. There's the door for the front lift. Bluebird Handybird. And then here's the back, you can see. And then we'll go over to the other side real quick. Got the Bluebird mud flaps. No stop sign, number 16. 3800 T444E. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.